Hello Internet. Daily some people ask me about how to make YouTube channel with different name. Creating new YouTube channel is really easy. You can create YouTube channel in just few seconds. I saw other YouTube videos and some of that was so old and they are lengthy. So, I thought I should make this process as short as possible. Go to youtube.com and just change little bit in URL and add channel_switcher in URL and press enter. Click on Create New Channel button and press enter. Type your channel name and click on Create and it's done. You can click here to go on your YouTube studio. Thanks for watching and please do like and subscribe and share this video with who wants to start a new YouTube channel. Your like is motivation for me, and please if you have any other problems or suggestions then please comment below.